Hello everyone and welcome back to the Modern Money channel. As you know, I'll talk about hot stocks every day that have potential to move higher in the following days. So far, since the beginning of this channel, we have approximately made $6,500 by risking $1,000 per trade. Let's have a quick peek at our performance so far. So here you can see that we have introduced and talked about more than 30 stocks. And out of that 30 something stocks, 9 of them are completed. And out of these 9 stocks, we have won 6 trades and we lost 3 trades. For the winning trades, we make more than $1,000. And if we lose a trade, because we're risking $1,000 per trade, we only lose $1,000. So for example, today we had one losing trade, ROKU, and we lost $1,000. But overall, so far, we had a win rate of 67%. So we won 6 out of 9 trades, which will give us 67% win rate. And our net profit is $6,480. And our reward to risk ratio is 1.6. Basically, for every dollar that we lose in a losing trade, for a winning trade, we make on average $1.6. Okay, now let's go and check ROKU stock that the trade completed today. So here, if you remember yesterday, I talked about this stock, ROKU, on the hourly time frame. I saw this pennant, and we broke that pennant, and we returned to retest the structure. And I went long at the end of the market, and I put my stop loss below this swing low. And today at the open, we hit our stop loss, so we're out of the trade. I still would say the trade setup was valid, but this is part of the game, and we lost this trade, but overall we were positive for the month, more than $6,000, which is great. So let's move on. Let's move on to the next trade, which is WMT, Walmart. For Walmart, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. And the trade that I can see now is that the price is moving in this channel, in this purple channel. And if you have a closer look, you can see that the price broke this trend line today. So for tomorrow, if the price breaks today's high, which is $147.38, I'm going to go long. And I will put my stop loss below this swing low, which is here. And I'll target the new high, which is based on this black trend line. So if you can see here, we have a trend line, a black trend line, and it seems that we're making a higher highs in this channel. So I'm gonna close my positions before this black trend line. Basically, tomorrow I will go long at 147.55 if we reach that by tomorrow, and I will put my stop loss at $141.95 below the swing low, and my target is 157.40, which will give me a reward to risk ratio of 1.7. I like the pattern. Let's see how this one plays. The next stock is TELL. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can see here we have an ascending triangle. So here is the trend line, here is the flat top, and tomorrow I will dip buy this because this is a bullish pattern. I want to buy this stock near this trend line, and I'm going to put my stop loss below this swing low. And the reason for that is if this pattern is an ascending triangle, and if this is valid, I don't want the price to break this low. So I'm gonna dip buy this stock tomorrow at $3.63. I'll put my stop loss at $3.08, which is here. and I'm going to target around $5, but I'm gonna cash out before that at $4.88, which will give me a reward to risk ratio of 2.2. I like the pattern. Again, let's see if this one plays out. The next stock is WM. So for WM, what I can see is a bull flag. But before that, let's have a look at another thing. You can see that the price was moving inside this channel. So this trend line got broken, and now we're trading inside this bull flag. So as you know, again, I like to trade inside the pattern. And so I went long today at the end of the market at $112.23, and I put my stop loss at 110.21, which is below this structure. And the reason for that is if this trend line, the blue trend line, is broken, and if this is a valid breakout, I don't want the price to go below this swing low. So I put my stop loss below that, and I'm targeting this high, this structure. Basically, I want the price to retest this structure. So I went long at $112.23. I put my stop loss at $110.21, and I'm aiming for $117.68, which will give me a reward to risk ratio of 2.6. Let's see if this trade plays out. The next stock that I want to talk about is FSR. So here again, we're in a 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, FSR used to trade at around $9, and then we had a significant move from $9 to about $23.50 in this spot, and then the price corrected itself to around $15, and the consolidation was happening inside this bullish pennant. And recently we have broke that bullish pennant with a gap up, and now the price is hovering above that area. I don't want to chase the price here. I don't want to buy it near that area. I want to actually discount. Gaps are usually getting filled in the future days. So for the next day or for the next few days, I'm going to look to buy this stock at this level at around $16.54, and I'll put my stop loss at $14.30, which is below all these support lines. And I'm going to look for a retest of the previous highs at $22. This will give me a reward to risk ratio of 2.4. Let's see if we can get our favorable price at around 16.5. Okay, for the last stock that I want to talk about is LMT. So for LMT, let's look at the hourly time frame. Here, what I can clearly see is that we're moving in a falling wedge pattern, which is a bullish pattern, and we recently broke that bullish falling wedge pattern. So what I'm looking for is that a retest of the previous high at this level. So today, at the end of the market, I went long at $337.03, and I put my stop loss below the swing low at $332.82, and I'm looking for a retest of the previous high at $343.70, which will give me a reward to risk ratio of 1.58. Let's see if this one plays out. Okay guys, this is all for this video. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and to get informed about the future list of stocks that may break out soon. And also destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithms. I really appreciate your support. Hope to see you in the next video.